Hi everybody, this is Marcel with the Little Fish in the Kitchen blog. I just want to check in with everybody. Hope you had a Merry Christmas. I hope you're having a wonderful 2019 so far. My kids are still on break, so that really limits me as far as getting anything done on the blog and certainly getting anything done on YouTube. They do go back to school this week, and so I have some things lined up. I have some posts that are kind of all halfway done, and I'll get a chance to complete them once they go back to school. We are at the park right now. We had to get out of the house and get some energy out. Everybody's going a little cabin fever crazy. But stay tuned and check back with me, and I'll have some new things posted real soon.